Hello and welcome to the ultimate all engines go merch review. Yep, I got most of the motorized I could find at Target. Then I got the push alongs. I got those as an early birthday gift. I got these two at Target. Yeah, both $10. And I know I'm not the first one to do an ultimate review on this type of merch. Yeah, I'm probably gonna lose subscribers just for reviewing this, but I don't care. Let's move this stuff out of the way. The movie magic. Let's start out with the 3-packs. I got Percy first, so let's start with Percy. Yeah, that's the back of the box. Okay, take a good look at that. Percy Train Percy. Party Train Percy. Yeah. And Party Train Percy, there's the box. Yeah, let's get it out now. There you go. Put that box over there. There's so many stuff. Okay, now let's get him out of there. And no, I'm not gonna show him now running, but at the end of the video, there should be a little montage of each and all the motorized engines running on a circle track. So, yeah. There, got all them out. Yeah, we got that party truck, we got the mail/coach, and there we got Percy. Look at that. Take a look at Percy. There's this lucky bell from one of the episodes. And different expression. More balloons and music waves. Yeah, and a long fucking coupling, a long coupling. Yeah. Now let's look at the accessories or the extra cargo they come with. They come with a drum, which came with the golden Thomas. It came with that, and now yeah, it's still there. There you go. And now for the coach. No, I'm not gonna lie, pretty nice coach. But here's the mech. Boom! It's a mail truck, man. Yeah, that's pretty cool, honestly. I like that. And there's the Percy pack. Let me put it back on its. There, it's put back. Now let's go for Muddy Thomas. Okay. Let's look at the box first. Okay, now that I put that back, now let's look at the box. Yeah, there's the little thing, the picture they used. Muddy Thomas. There he is. There's the face. That's the back. Let's open it, man. That's the box. Put the box right. Get out of there, man. Get on that track. And your little cargo piece too. So, okay, now that it's out, let's take a look at that Muddy Thomas. Look nice. I really got nothing to say. It's just a Muddy Thomas with orange wheels and a brown chassis. and mud, 2 different mud designs. One that's already been splattered, one that just got splattered. And a special expression. Focus. Yeah. Now for the cargo. Give me that. We got a reboot style troublesome truck. You can tell it's a reboot style because of the eyes. It's definitely not just a repainted regular CGI truck. Definitely not that. And a mud design in the side and there. And hay, we got some hay, bro. We got hay. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, that's basically it for that. Now we got a cow on a standard gauge, narrow gauge truck. Yeah, this narrow gauge truck, pretty epic. Too bad they don't make narrow gauge engines. The only ones they really made were Luke and Fearless Freddy. Yeah. Removable cow. You can use it for a remake. I forgot the episode, but it had to do something with a cow and stuff. Let's move on. Now we're going for the main packs, the one you would find. Yeah, you like the other packs. Yeah, it just includes the standard release of the toy. So yeah, this is Thomas's release. It's just a blue truck with a star symbol. I'm pretty sure that's a Kirby reference. And let's take a look at that Thomas. Focus. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like that face. Why did they choose that face? And there's the side. He's damn. Why he wide, bro? He don't look right. Like that's something about the Motorized when it's just they don't go well into 3D. Like look at it, man. Yeah, and the truck, Kirby truck. That's a Kirby truck. Now let's go with my boy Percy, man. Yeah, we got Percy right here, and his mail truck, a little mail truck, not a mail van, mail truck. Look at Percy. I like his face. Yeah, it's way better than that. Whatever that thing is. Yeah. Looking at me. I like this face. He looks very plain. Like looking at that one, very colorful. This one, he just looks plain. Like, man. You know, I think he has a taller funnel than Thomas. Hold on. I think he does. Yeah, they both got the long coupling right here and a long switch. Yeah. And here's the mail truck. Focus. Yeah, mail truck. They got the wing and an email. Yeah, let's move on to, yeah. Okay, now it's time for these ones. I removed the track layout because they don't run on carpet, so I got this. So let's go with Thomas first, even though they're basically the same type of toy. Look at him. He looking weird, like in that position, like let's see him in action though. Yeah, that's cool. And if you're wondering what this little wheel is, like, look, it's just so you can do this. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But look, the thing about this Percy, like, I'm pretty sure it's the same with other Percys, is this Percy is faster than Thomas. Like, I think it's because he got 4 wheels and Thomas got 6 wheels. So, like, yeah. Let's see the speed comparison. No, this kind of. Yeah, I'm not. Maybe this way. Ready, go. See, Percy faster. And also, the kick, the slide kick, Percy. Yep, he hit the wall. So on to the last two things. And the last things are the push-alongs. Now, for some reason, I've had a hard time trying to find these in Target. Like, each Target I go to, they don't got them. They either got the motorized or those right there. But I got these recently as an early birthday gift, so thank you, Mom and Dad. Let's get these mans out of the. Wait. This is I need to put the track. Hold on. There, the track's back. Now let's get these out. Yeah, let's go with the main man, Thomas. They're pretty accurate. They're very accurate. Like, why now they make very accurate toys? Like, but before then, hold on. Before then, look at the stuff they be making. Look, this is very accurate to the show, but this, it just don't look right for some reason. Look at it. Look, I had, and he got buffer detail. Wow. But let's see how well he rolls. How well does this roll? They can't. Okay, he made it to there. What about you? Wow. Okay, moving on to Purse. This one's my favorite. I like it. I don't know what about it that I like, but I like it. Looks neat. Percy's my favorite character in the reboot. Now here's him compared to CGI Percy. Huge difference. He don't got that big space in the middle where, look, you see, that's where the middle wheel would usually be, but it's just wooden railway Percy at this point, man. I mean, the face looks nice, and I give them that. But see, wait a minute. Yeah, they're about the same size. Though. Okay, who rolls better? Let's try CGI Percy. I say he rolls better than Thomas. Maybe he got that 4-wheel. Now he messed up. Huh, better. Alright. Let me set these up. And that, people, was the ultimate all engines go review. Yeah, I was waiting for this video. Yeah, I really got nothing else to say. That's why like, overall, I've been waiting for these to come out. I thought they looked neat. I especially like the push-alongs. They're my favorite. The motorized, they're alright. These ones, didn't really care for it, but I got them since they were there. I'm more excited about these than the others. I like the push-alongs. They look neat. Well, that's it. Careless Engine out.